In this video, I will show you how to share your calendar with someone on Outlook. So let's jump straight into the tutorial. As you can see, I'm currently here on my desktop. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Outlook. So if you do prefer to use the app, you can do it that way. Or if you want to come across to outlook.com, it's completely up to you, but the steps are the same. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to navigate to outlook.com. So here I am currently on outlook.com. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to your calendars. So if you come across this menu on the left hand side and it's the second icon down, you're going to see a little picture of a calendar across here. So what you want to do is just go ahead and give that a click. Next, what you want to do is just look for the calendar that you want to share. So I'm just going to use this example, June 2023. And if you look at the top, you've got some options and you'll see the option to share at the top. So what you want to do is go ahead and give that a click. And then what you can do is just go ahead and enter an email address for someone that you want to share this calendar with. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. And then what you want to do is enter this down here. So you can choose whether they view all details or if they can edit. You can remove this person at any time as well, just by clicking the little dustbin down here. But if you want to share this, just go ahead and click the blue share button here. And you'll see what's going to happen. It says currently sharing with techtutorcontact@gmail.com. So what would happen is that email address would now receive a message saying that I've shared my calendar with them and so they can open it and actually view that calendar. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to drop down below the video, leave a like on the video and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.